George Juma, Ramogi TV.
Jotelo mag Azimio la Umoja wan Kenya Alliance mawuok e masawa mar piny Kenya onyiero chenro mar twak masani dhi nyime kind Azimio kod Kenya Kwanza. Jotelo go wacho ni chal ni badruok nitiere twagno ni mar weche mamulo jopiny oko mi pek. Kutene kanyo gi Martha Karua, kweth nowacho ni pek mar ngima ema koro gigeto nyime kata giketo nyime kendo ok ginyal yie puodho report ma ok mul wach ma kamano.
There is no need of talking about that document if it's not addressing the cost of living, or why would we bother with it? If it is not addressing the invasion of Jubilee by UDA, what is the use of that document to us? We can continue managing ourselves the way you have done it. In any case, Ruto never intended it for good. He's been wasting people's time there. But we also have been using the time to organize ourselves.
We have no business at Bomas if those two basic minimums are not met. Reduction in the cost of living and paying fidelity to the law as regards political party. Leave Jubilee alone. Do your own thing.
And anybody who sends attack dogs to insult leaders asking how many votes we got, open the server. What are you fearing?
Open the server.
Open the server, we verify how many votes. Kama ni mbili tutashukuru. What are you afraid of?